Kamusta YouTube? JD here, and today we are going to unbox and give our first impression on this Globe Prepaid Wi-Fi. So without any further ado, let's do this. Okay, so today we have this prepaid Wi-Fi from Globe. I-unbox natin. Like what I said earlier, i-unbox natin to at bibigay tayo ng first impression. So basically, I bought this because currently I have a DSL PLDT connection. Unfortunately, medyo nagluloko si PLDT ngayon. So I had to purchase this one kasi I'm working as a virtual assistant. So kung walang internet connection, wala tayong pera. So that is the reason why nandito to ngayon. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so this is what's inside the box. So we have a user guide, a manual. We have an RJ45 cable. So you're going to use this from, if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi capability of this device, then you can go ahead and just plug the other end from your PC or your laptop, or the other end would go directly to the prepaid Wi-Fi. I'll show you the ports later. And we also have, of course, this is going to be powered by this adapter. So yun lang po ang nasa box. So now let's take a look at the prepaid Wi-Fi itself. Okay, so this is how it would look like. It's just plain white with Globe at home text in front, prepaid Wi-Fi underneath. So let's talk about the build quality first. It's all plastic, not that heavy. It's very light, all white. This one is made by Huawei. So nothing really special with the build quality. It's just plain plastic. Now we have some light indicators here. In front you will have your power LED. This LED would light up if you have an LTE connection. This one is for your Wi-Fi, and this is for your LAN. And this 3 bars is for your signal strength. Now at the back you will find 2 ports. You have the power. This is where your power supply will be inserted, and you also have your LAN port. So you can use the cable I showed you earlier if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi capability. You will also have a reset button here. If you can use this if you want to reset the password of the UI or reset everything. Now over here on the side, you will also see this is going to be the SIM card slot kasi may SIM card to, and you will have the number right here. Now up at the top you will also see the power button and the WPS button. Those are basically the ports and the buttons in this device. So I will be testing this for a couple of days, and probably I'll create another video for the full review on how it performs. So if you wanna get notified and when is that video coming out, then make sure to press that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you'll get notification when it's uploaded. So for now, that will be all. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, then you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching. Again, this is JD, and see you guys in the next video.